आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question is given that given two vectors A which is minus I plus j plus 2k and B vector is given minus I minus 2j and minus k. Okay, then we need to find three questions are given. Okay, first we need to find A cross B, then we will use this to find the area of triangle. Okay, so A and B vector are given to us in the question. Let me write A vector, that is minus I plus j plus 2k cap here. This is our A vector. And B vector is also with us, that is minus I minus 2j, and then we are having minus k cap here. Okay, first what we need to find? We need to find A cross B. So let's write here A cross B vector. We know how to find cross product of two vectors. Okay, like a determinant, I cap, j cap, and then k cap, and here we'll write the corresponding coefficient of I, j, k vector. Okay, so consider A vector. Minus 1 is the coefficient of I cap, 1 is the coefficient of j, and 2 is the coefficient of k cap. Now vector B, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, solve this further. We know how to solve this. Like a determinant, I cap, this will be minus 1, minus minus plus 4 here. Then minus j cap, here I'll get 1, minus minus will be plus 2. Then plus k cap here, this will be 2, minus minus plus, and then 1. Let's solve this further. This is 3i. Okay, then here I'll get minus 3j, and here I'll get 2 plus 1, that is 3k cap here. Okay, this is our A cross B. Now it is given to us in the question that we need to use this to find the area of triangle. Okay, so we know that what is the area of triangle. Okay, since we need to use this quantity here, so let me write here area of triangle. We know its formula in terms of vector, it is equals to half. Okay, then magnitude of cross product of these two, A cross B vector. This is the formula here. Okay, because it is given to us in the question that we need to use this quantity here. Okay, so what we need to find now? We need to find the magnitude of this cross product, because then only we will put this value here. Okay, so let's find magnitude. We know how to find magnitude. Okay, magnitude of A vector cross B vector, it will be equals to, this is the vector whose magnitude we need to find. Okay, square of coefficient I plus square of coefficient of j, that is 3 square, plus square of coefficient of k, that is also 3 square, and whole under the root. Okay, so this can be written as, if I'll take 3 square common, and this will be outside 3 outside the root, and under the root I'll get 3 only. This is the value of A cross B here. Okay, now let's find the area. Okay, let's write area of triangle. We know its formula half, then value of A cross B we have calculated, this is 3 root 3 here, or we can say, if I'll write it in perfect form, so 3 root 3 upon 2 is the area. Okay, let's write a units. Now come back to the question, second part, B part. Here what we need to find? We need to find the area of parallelogram. Okay, B part, area of parallelogram. We know that formula for area of parallelogram is what? A cross B, where A and B are what? A and B are the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Okay, suppose this is the parallelogram we are having, so A vector and B vector, these are the adjacent sides. Okay, because up till here in this question only two vectors are given, so it means that this small is one side of the parallelogram and this is the other side. Okay, so we need to find the magnitude of A cross B, which we have already calculated, because A cross B is already calculated. Okay, it is same as previous part, so 3 root 3. So area of parallelogram, it will be equals to 3 root 3 here. Okay, so answer of first part is 3 root 3 by 2, which is the area of triangle, and answer of second part, this is 3 root 3, which is area of parallelogram. Now come to third part. We need to find the area of parallelogram whose diagonals are given 2 vector and 4 vector b. Okay, so in part C it is given that diagonal 1 is what? 2 a vector, and diagonal 2 is what? 4 times of vector b here. Okay, so we are having a and b vector with us. Let me write this. So these are the value of a and b that are given to us in the question. Okay, so value of d1, that is first diagonal, it is twice of a, so means 2i plus 2j, then plus 4k cap here, this will be first diagonal, and second diagonal, that is d2, it will be equals to 4 times of b, means minus 4i minus 8j, then minus 4k cap here. Okay, these are what? These are the diagonals. So we know that area of parallelogram, let's write here area of parallelogram, if two diagonals are given, it is equals to, we know that half, then d1 cross d2 vector, okay, magnitude of d1 cross d2. Okay, when adjacent side of parallelogram are given, then it is cross product of adjacent side magnitude, and if diagonals are given, then it is 1 by 2 of magnitude of cross product of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Okay, then again we have to find the cross product here. Okay, so let's write here I cap, j cap and k cap here. Okay, then we are having value of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 with us. Put the value -2, 2 and 4, and this side it will be -4, -8 and -4 again. Okay, let's solve this. We know how to solve this. I cap, this will be -8 and plus 8 multiplied 4 is what? 32. Then we are having minus j cap. Okay, so this will be 8 minus plus 16 here, then plus k cap here. Okay, this will be 16 minus plus 4 multiplied 2 is 8. Okay, solve this further, and then we need to find its magnitude also. Okay, so 32 minus 8, it is 24 I cap. Okay, then minus, this will be 24 j cap, and here I'll write plus 24 k cap. So we are having value of d1 cross d2. Now we need to find magnitude. So magnitude of d1 cross d2 vector, it will be equals to, this will be written as 24 square plus 24 square. Okay, this is minus 24 square. Then we will write here 24 square again. Okay, so this is what? This is value 24 root 3. Okay, now area of parallelogram is half of this value. Okay, so let's write here area of parallelogram. It will be equals to half of magnitude of d1 cross d2. This is the formula. Okay, so we have calculated some values here. Half of d1 cross d2 value, this is 24 root 3, or we can say area will be equals to 12 root 3. So this is the answer of third part. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।